Hi YouTube, Tim Eckert here. In this video, we're going to look at SAT style math problems where we're looking at distance traveled given speed and time. So let's look at problem number 1. We've got Donnie. He's driving his car down the street traveling at a constant speed of 40 feet per second. Okay, so 40 feet per second here. And his distance in feet traveled is given by d equals 40t. 5 seconds after he drove past a mile marker on the road he was traveling on, how far is he from the mile marker? So 40 feet per second, 40t. So we're going to do 40 times 5. So his distance is going to be 40, and that's feet per second. And we're going to multiply that by 5 seconds. Seconds will cancel out. 40 times 5 gives us 200, so he's traveled 200 feet. All right, let's try another one. So Timmy's driving his work truck. He is traveling at a constant speed of 45 feet per second, and his distance in feet given time in seconds is given by the equation d equals 45t. So 45 feet per second, t equals 45t. He drives past the first construction site he's working at today. How far is he from the first construction site 2 seconds after he drove past it? All right, so we're going to take d here. That's going to be equal to 45 feet per second. I'm going to multiply that by 2 seconds. The seconds will cancel, and 45 times 2 is 90. And that's 90 feet. I'm just going to do ft for feet here. So 90 feet for the second one. There we go. Hopefully you're getting the hang of this. Maybe you want to pause the video before problem 3 right here and try it yourselves and then see if your solution matches mine. Okay, you back with me? All right. So Sally is cycling down the road at a constant speed of 25 feet per second, and her distance traveled is given by the equation d equals 25t, where t is the time in seconds and d is the distance in feet. She cycles past her friend's driveway. 4 seconds later, how far is she from her friend's driveway? So the distance here is going to equal 25, that's feet per second, and we're going to multiply that times 4 seconds. Seconds are going to cancel. 25 times 4 is 100, so we get 100. That zero is bad. 100 feet as our solution. Okay, let's try one more. All right, pause the video if you like. Okay, so Johnny is running down the road at a constant speed of 10 feet per second, and his distance traveled is given by the equation d equals 10t, where d is the distance in feet and t is the time in seconds. How much distance does Johnny travel in 1 minute? Okay, so 1 minute, how many seconds is that? That's 60 seconds. All right, so we're going to have to use the seconds here. We're not multiplying by 1. So we're going to say the distance equals 10 feet per second times 60 seconds. Okay, so the seconds will cancel. 10 times 60 is 600. So in a minute, he is traveling 600 feet. And there we go. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, and you think other people might find it helpful, other like-minded people, please make a effort to share it. That would help it get out to those people. Also, if you do like this video and it was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.